Hi guys, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with August favourites, and as you may have seen from the thumbnail, there's just one. And the reason for there just being one is not that anything's been rubbish this month and I only have one favourite polish. It's literally because other than swatching for reviews, I've only worn this one polish. If you don't know, because I've gone on about it for literally the longest time, it's taking up over a year of my life. I've been trying to move house for about a year. Selling a house and doing all that sort of stuff in the UK is very slow, and I should be moving in by the time this video goes up, and therefore I haven't had any chance to really wear nail polish other than for doing a few reviews. So I have one, so let's talk about it. This is my Glam polish and this is for the Stranded Witch or Wizard, which is one of the more recent Harry Potter duos they came out with, and this is representing of the Night Bus. So it is purple and it is a beautiful deep purple, more like an indigo purple base with some very large flakies in there, and then a slight like multi-chrome tinge to it where it kind of goes between like a yellow and a green as well. So it's got a very interesting combination to it. I always use the term glam polishness because they are just these crazy mixtures that just seem to work so well when glam polish does them. I don't know what their secret is, but I'd kind of like to know. So this one was completely opaque in two and just like a really great different polish. Thought it represented things what it was meant to correctly. Thought it was a beautiful polish. So that was Glam polish for the Stranded Witch or Wizard. Other than that, I've just done some review videos. I've done the China Glaze holographic ones. I've done a couple of indie brands, but it's just literally been a kind of swatch minimalistically month, and then hopefully by the time the next video goes up, or one recent after this one, you will see my new house. I will be having a new background set up and everything, more of a dedicated YouTube space, which will come in time, but I will just try and get into some sort of space and get some videos up for you guys, because I've really missed not being able to sit and focus on my channel the way that I like to. So thank you so much for your patience over the past probably like 3 months. I've been a bit all over the place, and nail polish definitely took a bit of a back seat for a while, and I just miss it so much. The other thing you need to check out this month is of course my collaboration collection with Pampered polishes. I will link that review video down below for you. That probably went up last week and it was released on August 24th, and it is a Trip to Hogsmeade collection. So I highly recommend obviously you check that out. It is a collection that I've worked on with Timberland since April, so very much proud of it. So thank you so much again. Let me know what your August favourites were. Hopefully you wore more than one polish, and I will see you soon. Bye.